Taking care of your hair is as important as taking care of your body. Change in weather affects our hair as well. To take care of my dry, frizzy hair and split ends, the Good Virtue's Multiple Repair Hair Serum is a must for me. This serum is suitable for all hair types. A little goes a long way. It is non-greasy and gives a nice smooth shine to your hair without making it look oily. It contains organic black seed oil, macadamia oil, vitamin E oil and olive oil to make your hair conditioned, smooth and nourished. It stays in your hair for 48 hours. I always prefer to oil my hair before shampooing. I shampoo my hair with soft and synthetic color-free shampoo. Afterwards, I apply the serum into my wet hair. I mainly focus on the ends and avoid the scalp. I take a small amount of the serum, rub it into my palm, and apply in my wet hair. This serum has no synthetic colorant in it and is very gentle for your hair. Lastly, I like to comb my hair with a wooden brush. If you are into hairstyling and use heat in your hair every day, this serum is going to be your best friend.